Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change your microphone type in Chrome on your PC. This simple adjustment can greatly enhance your audio experience. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC. Step 2. Look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on them. Step 3. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on the Settings option. Step 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, locate and click on the Site Settings option. Step 6. In the Site Settings menu, find and click on the Microphone option. Step 7. Within the microphone settings, you'll see the option to select your microphone type. Click on Default Microphone Realtek to choose it. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily change your microphone type in Chrome on your PC. This can be helpful if you're experiencing audio issues or want to switch to a different microphone source. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.